Currently in South Africa, we are conducting fruit fly surveillance so that we can know exactly what is it that we are dealing with and where can we put more efforts in terms of managing, controlling, as well as suppression in terms of the pests that have caused devastation into our economy. So for farmers, it is very much important to notice that immediately you see a suspicious or unknown pest in your area, you inform an official within your area. Then that official will be able to come to your farm, take samples, and we identify what is it exactly that you are dealing with. But if you know exactly what is there already, that it is the pest of concern and something needs to be happening in your farm, then you must know at least that at first you must be able to do proper sanitation so that the pest cannot be able to reproduce within the farm. And you must also be able to spray according to the relevant pests that you can use in that farm so that we don't just use any chemicals anyhow. But at least if you know that a certain pest is there, then you know that a certain chemical must be applied at the right time, at the right volume, so that you don't just kill other pests of interest in the area. So for our farmers that maybe are small stakeholders or maybe emerging farmers, it's very much important that you always do scouting. In other words, you check from time to time, what is it exactly that you have in your farm? Should you see any symptoms, should you see anything that is suspicious, then you know that an action needs to follow so that you can be able to control any pest that is within your farm. Remember, the more you delay, the more the pest can spread, the more the pest can establish in that area. But if you detect something early, you are able to do a repeat response. In other words, you'll be able to control the pest so that you don't have to use a lot of resources to be able to manage a small pest or maybe a small volume of pests, but using more resources at that time, at that point in time. So it's very much important for farmers from time to time to know that should you not understand exactly what is happening, you talk to your extension officers, you talk to your inspectors, you talk to your local agriculture officer so that they can be able to assist you.